This is the Amiga cache of Minnesota, owned by Raymond. This is going to be available for sale on eBay and Amiga near you. Here we go. This is the back room of the cache, and we'll go to the inner room afterwards. Oh, excuse me. Wizard 3, whatever that is. Couple of Mac classics in there. And some good old school Mac.
Stacks here. They're probably not worth much because not a lot of people would be bidding on them. If anybody does want them,
Stacks of monitors.
If they don't want them, I guess I'm going to have to dump them.
Well, I doubt you're going to dump anything. Somebody will pay something for anything that's in here. I mean, this is a huge cache of stuff. I mean, there's people that go out to houses when somebody's losing their house and they're selling an Amiga, their Amiga collection. They go and buy. I've seen people on Amiga rent huge trucks and drive hundreds of miles to somebody's house and buy them out. All right, it's one storeroom. Not a lot of space in there to move around, so we'll get to that. That stuff's going to probably move last unless somebody sees something in the video they specifically request to get added. We're going to start here. This is the main room. This is what would be more considered a showroom. Tons of Amiga monitors and pets and disk drives and everything. Whole boxes of drives and old computers in the box. People haven't seen things like that since they were kids, a lot of people. And maybe some people have never seen something like that because it was around after, or it was around too early for them. It's a brand new CD32 in the box. We're going to sell it with an XX1 and a full motion video cartridge. Plenty of literature on everything. That's all going to move to be sold for probably lower prices by the sounds of it. To move it, we want lovers to get these computers. If you see something you love or you gotta have, let us know.